you for stopping by my channel. In this video, I'll be showcasing peas and beans. We use pinto beans in rice and peas stews and soups. There are two kinds of split peas, the yellow kind and the green ones featured here. We use split peas to make a soup with pig's tail, beef, and seasonings, etc., etc. Gungo peas is used to make rice and peas in Jamaica. It can also be stewed down with saltfish, coconut milk, and seasonings. Black beans are used for rice and peas, as well as in a 6-bean soup. Black-eyed peas is also good for rice and peas and soups. If you know any other uses, please tell us in the comment section. We would love to know. Broad bean, round of applause please. Broad beans is a very popular bean in Jamaica, used in our oxtails, cow skin, pig trotters, cow tripe, and cow foot. Finally, red peas, aka kidney beans. Jamaican rice and peas is usually made with red kidney beans. Another favorite Jamaican dish prepared with red kidney beans is stew peas. Did I mention also red pea soup? Yes, I'll put the link for the stew peas above. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks in advance.